How do you set up a Python environment with Pyenv? Imagine being able to switch between different versions of Python as easily as changing TV channels. That's exactly what Pyenv makes possible. If you're working on AI or machine learning projects, managing multiple Python versions is a must. It helps keep your projects organized and avoids conflicts. Today, I will walk you through how to set up a Python environment with Pyenv step by step. First, you need to install Pyenv. On macOS, the easiest way is using Homebrew. Just open your terminal and type brew install Pyenv. If you're on Linux like Ubuntu, you can run the Pyenv installer script or manually install dependencies first. Once installed, you need to tell your shell how to use Pyenv. You do this by editing your shell configuration file like bashrc or zshrc. Add lines that set the Pyenv root environment variable, update your path, and initialize Pyenv with commands like eval, Pyenv init, and eval, Pyenv virtualenv init. This setup makes Pyenv available every time you open your terminal. Next, you want to install the Python versions you need. Use the command pyenv install followed by the version number. For example, pyenv install 3.11.9 will download and install Python version 3.11.9. You can see which versions you've installed with Pyenv versions. This is helpful because different AI projects often requiring different Python versions. Now, to keep your projects tidy, you can create virtual environments. Pyenv works with a plugin called Pyenv virtualenv. To create a new virtual environment, run Pyenv virtualenv followed by the Python version and a name for your environment. For example, Pyenv virtualenv 3.11.9 My AI project T&V. Naming your environment after your project makes it easier to remember what's what. Once your virtual environment is ready, go to your project folder. Inside that folder, run Pyenv local followed by your environment name. This command sets the virtual environment as the default whenever you're working in that folder. It's like setting a default workspace for your project. When you activate the environment, any packages you install, like TensorFlow or PyTorch, stay isolated from other projects. This is especially helpful in AI development where dependencies can clash. Finally, with the environment activated, you're ready to install your AI or machine learning libraries. Use pip to install TensorFlow, PyTorch, or any other tools you need. This setup helps you stay organized and ensures your projects run smoothly. Managing multiple Python versions and creating isolated environments is a key part of AI development. It keeps your work clean, reproducible, and ready for deploying tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, or Midjourney. Setting up your Python environment with Pyenv is a smart step toward efficient AI and machine learning workflows.